Ooh, yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey. Yeah.
Hello loves, it's your girl Dluvly and I am back with the organization video. I hope all is well. I have been starting and stopping this project for quite a while now, and I am going to share with you guys some tips as I clean this dresser drawer out. So let's get started. My first tip is to never organize clothes while it's in the drawer. Go ahead and empty out all the drawers so you can identify what's in there, and also wipe down the dresser drawer. This part was done off camera, but I did do that. So after that, you want to separate everything into similar categories and only keep the items that you absolutely love, brings joy to you, and that you use. This is the plastic honeycomb drawer organizers that I grabbed off Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and open them and pull them out so you can see what we have. This should all fit my socks. I plan on doing my socks and my undergarments. So let's go ahead and unwrap these and put them in the drawer. These are the perfect organizers, and I just love how sleek everything is going to look once I am complete. They are great for organizing office supplies and junk drawers. And they are perfect for undergarments, socks, tights, stockings, ties, belts, etc. But yeah, again, I ordered this off of Amazon. I want to say they was like $10, $14.99, something like that. But let's get into organizing these drawers.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present. Instead of giving me presents, you're not getting off that easily. Oh, when we get back on the same page tonight, we can stay. And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, spent your time with me. You're speaking my